Okay, are you going to dance?
Often found Mary and Joseph and the baby who was lying in the manger. When they had seen him, they spread the word concerning what they had been told about this child, and all who heard it were amazed at what the shepherds said to them.
It's okay. You're wearing a beautiful t-shirt.
And pondered them in her hearts. The shepherds returned, glorifying and praising God
What?
for all the things they had heard and seen.
You what?
Which suggested they had
You
been
lost
told.
it?
So, the
hold it.
ones who
No, you need. I want to see you dance.
meaning
No.
of the birth.
Okay. Well, how about can you sing Goliath?
Something very interesting
No.
about a company, NIV,
Well, what do you want to tell me?
which is really not a good term. King James
Hi,
uses a
Daddy.
but
Hey,
literally,
pictures.
very interesting. It means
Okay. What else do you want to say?
how many angels
I love you. Bye.
What else?
all of them.
I see.
How many
Oh, my God.
Tomorrow you're going to work.
Chapter 5, John writing says,
Let's
"God
go
heard
work
the
with
voice of
Daddy
many
here."
angels,
You want to go to work with Daddy?
thousands upon thousands, and 10,000 times
It's what?
10,000. They
What is
fall
that?
to the throne of the living creatures
On your
of the
finger.
elders. In a loud voice they sang, "Worthy is the Lamb who was slain."
My lesson.
Let me
In
see.
other words, you know, and how many is
Oh, that's
10,000?
beautiful.
It's not a mathematically.
Where'd you get it?
It's a figure of speech that says
I
there
bought
are so many.
In the box. And what's that on your head?
my coin.
Your what?
My coin.
Your queen? Where'd you get the queen?
My box again.
Oh, you got it in the box again? Okay.
Oh, I get it.
What are you doing in there? Okay, Jenna, I'll talk to you later.